National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a tornado warning for southern Buchanan County, northeastern Benton County, northwestern Lynn County until 5:30 p.m. At 4:51 p.m., tornado-producing storms were located along a line extending from near Lime Creek County Park to near Benton County Fairgrounds, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Expected hazards included a damaging tornado and quarter-size hail. A tornado has been reported by the public. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. These tornadic storms will be near Urbana, Shellsburg, Rowley, Cheney, Spencer's Grove, Benton City Park, Hopeful Doolin Park, and Wildcat Bluff Park around 4:55 p.m. Center Point, Palo, Walker, Quasqueton, and Pleasant Creek State Recreation Area around 5 p.m. Robbins, Troy Mills, Toddville, and Lafayette around 5:10 p.m. Other locations in the path of these tornadic storms include Albanet and Monty. This includes Interstate 380 between mile markers 29 and 53. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa, Benton and Lynn.